So we're going to talk about negative exponents with the power of 10. That just means that the base is 10 and you have a negative exponent. So when you have a negative exponent, you want to put it in the denominator, make it positive, and then write it out. And in this case, since the exponent was 8, you're going to write 1 with 8 zeros. So we're going to start looking at one of these. Because you have the number in the denominator, we're supposed to write this as a power of 10. So because it's in the denominator, it's going to be a negative power. You count the zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this number, this fraction, equals 10 to the negative 5th power. So if they give you the fraction, then you're going to put it to 10 to the negative power and just count the zeros for what the exponent will be. Because this is 10 with an exponent of negative, you want to write it as a fraction. So it's 1 divided by 1 with 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they're telling me that they would prefer me to put the commas in. I usually count out the zeros and then put the commas in. This time I didn't because I thought they put it in for me. Next time, if I were to have this question, I would put the commas in, but I got it right anyway. So those are the two different types of questions they're going to ask. They're either going to have the number with the negative exponent, and then you write it as a fraction, or they'd have it as a fraction, and you're going to write it as a power of 10. So that's the end of the lesson.